Hey Connie, what day is it?
It's Tuesday Vittles!
From the skillet to the plate, Tuesday Vittles are worth the wait.
Alright guys, Tuesday Vittles today is chicken and dumplings, mashed potatoes, and peas.
Yum.
One. You know, like on Hee Haw, some of you won't even know what we're talking about, but they say, "What's for supper?"
Hey Grandpa.
Alright, first off, we're got to boil some chicken. Or you can use rotisserie chicken if you want. That's perfectly fine too. But I've got some chicken tenders here that we're going to put in there. And I got a couple thighs. And we're going to put those in there. We're going to let those boil, and then we will cut them up and take that off the thighs off the bone. We're going to stick in some salt. And we're going to put in some pepper because we love pepper. And this is what I'm using for some chicken broth. This is Member's Mark. It's just chicken base. We keep it in the fridge. Billy uses it a lot in ramen noodles.
Mm-hmm.
So you just use however much you want. We'll use that much for now, about a tablespoon. And then he uses this stuff for ramen noodles too. Chicken flavored base, because he can't get enough chicken food. So we're going to put a little bit of this in here. It's got some parsley in it. This stuff's strong, so you don't want a whole lot of that. We'll adjust that if we have to later.
You'll need more than that.
I saved out a couple of the chicken tenders because I've got something I want to try. If anybody's ever tried it, soaking these in pickle juice. I've got some Grillo's pickle juice that I was like, oh, I'm not throwing that away. We're going to soak some of these in it. I only got 2 out just to see what it's like. So we're going to try that too. If anybody's done that, I hear that Chick-fil-A, that's how they brine their chicken. We're going to try it. So we're going to, I got this on medium right now. We're going to just let that simmer, boil a little bit, get done, and then we'll come back and make some dumplings. Alright guys, I got my chicken already shredded up and off the bone. I already did that. So now we're getting ready to make some dumplings, and we're just making drop dumplings. We're not rolling them out and making thin. We're doing drop dumplings.
Which is what we love.
Which is what we like. This is our recipes the way we do it. Okay? Everybody does things different, so we're just showing you how we do it. For me to get the exact on here ingredients for the dumplings, one batch is not enough for us because we like the extra. So I just doubled it. So I'm going to give you the recipe for the double, okay? And we may not use them all, but one's not enough. So first off, I got 3 cups of just all-purpose flour in here. And then I'm just going to make, well, not yet. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt in there. And I'm going to put in 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Now you can use self-rising flour if you want. Put 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And I will leave my ingredients in the description box for this, okay? We're going to stir that up a little bit. I remember seeing my mom put, and I do it every once in a while. Somebody caught me one day. Put a little bit of yellow food coloring in the eggs. Just a little bit. It'll make your noodles yellow. Just a drop. So it doesn't take much. I'm going to put a little bit of this chicken seasoning in here too.
And guys, tell us what all you put in your chicken and dumplings when you make them.
And guys, you take it easy way. Like I said at the beginning, a rotisserie chicken and a can of pop biscuits. Cut them into quarters and put them in there.
As a bachelor, I've done that.
I've never done that. I didn't even, you know.
They make good dumplings.
Yeah, I've heard guys at work do it. It's like, oh, yeah.
And also, I tried to get Connie to do this, but she wouldn't. So Does anybody else ever put like celery or carrots and onions in their chicken and dumplings? Let us know.
All right.
She's like, no, I'm not going to do that. If I was making chicken pot pie, I would do it.
Because that's not how we do ours. So we're going to do it this way. And then maybe next time we do it off camera, we'll do it with some celery and onions. But I wanted to do it the way we do it. So I'm putting in 2 eggs, slightly beaten, and 1 cup of milk. We're just going to mix all that together. And that's it for the dumplings, guys.
Easy peasy.
Billy's already been out in the workshop this morning. He must have something in his hand because he keeps picking at his finger. Like,
I think I got a splinter.
because he's too stubborn to wear gloves or a mask or anything. So.
I have been wearing eye protection since I got my eyes done.
Mix this all up. Oh, I forgot to put some salt and pepper. Well, I did put salt, but we got to put some pepper because, you know, we like the pepper.
And a little chicken flavor if you want it.
I put some of that in there. Yep. Put some parsley flakes in there if you want, whatever.
Yeah,
Onion
that's
powder,
good in it too.
Onion powder, garlic powder.
Oh yeah, all that's good. And we got our potatoes on back there and our peas.
Yeah, we cut up some potatoes for mashed potatoes. And had just a little bit of frozen peas back there. So I put those in that pot with a little bit of butter, some water, and salt, and just a barely pinch of sugar because they're sweet peas. We gotta make them sweet.
Yeah, they gotta be a little sweet.
Just a pinch.
And for my drink today, I am having homemade lemonade. I got me some in a shaker cup and I cut up lemons and I shook it all up. That's going to be good. Pour out over ice.
He's having his own shake-up.
So, lemonade, chicken and dumplings, mashed potatoes and peas. Yummy. My mouth's watering already.
I thought about doing some kind of biscuit, but I think we got enough. Because now we're hungry for it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like we ain't got time to stop. All right, so look, we are rapidly boiling.
Boy, it's smelling good too. We need smell-o-vision.
Yeah. So now, with these, as long as you got your water boiling, we're good to go. I did put in a couple more teaspoons of this because I had to add some more water because it boiled out. So you just season it the way you want it. If it's not enough, you can, use regular chicken broth in it from the box or whatever instead of using that. But same thing, water and seasoning.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just going to take the tip of our spoon, drop them in. Just wherever you want. Make them however big you want. I make them about the end and then they fluff up. I'm going to cover the top of this.
And just leave them simmer till they tender up.
Mm-hmm.
This is one of my favorite meals right here, is chicken and dumplings. Or homemade chicken noodles.
Yeah, we're going to have beef and noodles sometime soon.
Oh yeah, I love that too. Chicken and dumplings is probably my favorite. And I always like these drop dumplings better than the flat.
Yeah. First time I ever had the flat kind was I went to Cracker Barrel. And I was like, those aren't dumplings.
Yeah.
Because this is the only kind I ever knew. Like,
This is the only kind we ever made at home. And they're my favorite, still today. Almost 71 years later.
Alright, so I'm going to finish this up, and we're waiting on our sides to get done, and then I'm going to have Billy show you the mashed potatoes again. I know we just had mashed potatoes last week. We're doing them a little different this week because one of our friends on here suggested a different way, and that's how they make them, so we're going to try it. Thanks, Cheryl. Alright guys, Billy's going to mash the potatoes again because he's our potato masher. And like I said, Cheryl mentioned about cream cheese, and he's putting in about 2 ounces. We don't know how much to put in, so we're putting in about 2 ounces of cream cheese.
About the same on butter.
I bet he puts more butter in it.
I bet I will. about at least a little bit more. A little splash of milk. Salt and pepper, you know, all the good stuff.
Because we love pepper around here.
Just put in however much you like in it.
And mix her up. Alright, he's going to lift the lid and show you what we got there.
Well, them swelled up good.
Yeah, look how big those dumplings are. And I used every bit of it. So, I was like, I'm not throwing it away. We're going to stuff that baby in there. Man, we've got plenty of room still. And he got the mashed potatoes done. So now we're just waiting on the dumplings to cook, and we'll be ready to do a taste test. Alright guys, here we go. Billy did the taste test for the dumplings. He said they're done. He can't wait anyway. So they're done whether he wants them to be or not, I think.
Kinda.
So we got a little bit of peas, mashed potatoes, and then we're going to take some of these, put them right on top of our mashed potatoes. And it's going to look, you know, how your plate looks like it's so big. You got so much on there. And maybe I do. But this is our meal today. Alright. And you know these babies are hot, so.
No low carbon today. Not on Vital Tuesday.
You can tell, see, they're cooked all the way through. It's cakey in there, not doughy. So let's give it a try. So good.
Remind you of home.
So good. Oh, guys. All right, so we're going to get off here so we can eat because we're hungry. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype us, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching Tuesday Vittles, the Biker Baker Show, and Mr. Smith. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.